Assalamu alaikum. I'm Asma. Today I'm gonna share really delicious, quick and easy recipe of chaat. It is basically a snack time meal. For this, you will need 3 cups boiled chickpeas, 3 cups boiled and cubed potatoes, 1 teaspoon chili powder, 2 teaspoon chaat masala, 1 teaspoon salt, 1 cup chopped onion, 3 tablespoons chopped green chilies, 1.5 tamarind water. For tamarind water, soak some tamarind into some water for 3 to 60 minutes. Then remove its seeds and use water. Now in a mixing bowl, add all 3 cups of chickpeas and 3 cups of boiled and cubed potatoes. A cup of chopped onions, now I'm mixing it. After mixing, add 2 teaspoons chaat masala, 1 teaspoon chili powder, 1 teaspoon salt, 3 tablespoons green chilies, and mix it again. You can adjust spices according to your taste buds. And last, add tamarind water in it. Again, for tamarind water, soak some tamarind into some water and leave it for 30 to 60 minutes. Then remove its seeds and use water. Mix all of the ingredients together. Now this delicious, easy and quick recipe is absolutely ready to serve. If you like this recipe, then click like button, comment and let me know about your opinion. Share it with your family, friends and people you care about. Subscribe ASMA'S Kitchen for more delicious, quick and easy recipes, and don't forget to click bell button. Thank you so much for watching.